You don't have that choice. They each exist and work and make predictions that are verified. They're both kind of crazy, but they apply to reality. Now, it turns out we already know the limits of relativity. It can't describe the center of a black hole. So we know relativity will have to be extended or modified in those extremes to understand that. Quantum physics, quantum mechanics, it works every single place we have ever applied it. Every single place. So in that regard, it is the most successful theory of the universe that has ever been put forth. It could be possible that in the future, quantum physics will subsume relativity entirely to get you to those singularities, the center of the black hole and the beginning of the universe. But right now they both work and we're completely happy with them. Last one, Nephilian, Twitter. So the theory of relativity, the prediction of the effects of gravitational fields in space, then peace? I think the rise of science has promoted greater peace and prosperity in the world. Certainly prosperity, and often where there's prosperity, there's less of a need to take your neighbor's stuff. If you look at the era of science and look at the kinds of wars people fought and what fraction of people would die in a war of a culture, in spite of even these aberrations such as the First and Second World War, a much smaller fraction of all humans died in those wars than who died in tribal wars if you go back thousands of years. You could lose a third of your men fighting in a battle just to gain access to a property. That does not happen in organized war. No war is good, of course, but it may be that science as a path to prosperity and health will remove many of the reasons why we ever had war in the first place. So a theory of relativity as another branch of physics, science in general, peace? Yeah, peace. Yes. So very impressed with the cosmic curiosity out there. Keep them coming, and as always, keep looking up. You guys know about this? It's basically a thermometer. It's a closed system and there's air in here. Room temperature is generally cooler than your body temperature. This is why we have to eat continuously as warm-blooded creatures to maintain this temperature difference. We're basically 100-degree organisms, right? Air is 70 degrees. So if I warm this air, then